was actually kind of an accident. I was looking for an ice bath in a boot, and I found Alex's website, and I just felt how powerful it was. In my case, I've never experienced any sort of breath work in my life whatsoever, so everything was just new and intense for me. I think one of the biggest things I got was the idea that you can breathe yourself into whatever state you want to be in, and there's all sorts of tools and breathing modalities for that. I'm able to shift much easier. It's like shifting gears. Whatever state I'm in, good or bad, I can turn on a dime with the tools I've been given, and it's really empowering. It's nothing keeps me down, and I'm always moving forward. It's good. It's great. It's really good. What I liked most about the training was definitely the ice baths. I'm hooked at this point. Kind of addicted. It's better than a cup of coffee in the morning for sure. And just the deep sense of connection with myself that I get from that, and others as well. It's just profound. It's intense, and it's amazing. It's quite an experience. What would somebody get from this training? I would say you get out whatever you put in, and if you come with an intention and keep that at the forefront, you'll find what you need. Yeah, and Alex, he always meets you exactly where you're at. You know, whatever you need energetically, he's there to meet you with that. I came into the program with an open mind, and I left with a lot. Highs that I never knew that I could experience, and lots of tools that really upgraded my life.